All right, it looks like we're recording. Welcome back to Dr. T's Gee-Rhage. This week, bought this 200 CI inline six Ford motor. It's not the same one. Mine, the Bachero has a 144, but a lot of the parts off this thing I can use on mine. So found this on not Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace. Got this. It had the air cleaner, and you know how hard the air cleaner is on those, man. It's hard to find a good air cleaner for it. So I got the motor, got the air cleaner, got like an extra Felpro gasket set, got an extra exhaust manifold. I'm probably not going to use because I'm going to do headers. Taking it apart. This thing, the guy I bought it from looked like he just rebuilt it because everything was just kind of hand tight. Everything was painted nice, brand new. Everything came apart awesome. You can see the head gasket there. It looked like it was brand new, like he just put it on there. I pretty much literally just bought this thing for the air cleaner and for the valve cover because I wanted to paint my valve cover, and I didn't want to have the engine apart for a week or two while I painted the valve cover. So this one, the valve cover is already painted. Had a bunch of cool extra parts with it that I'm kind of holding on to in case I need it. That fuel pump looks brand spanking new. Guy I bought it from said the cam was bad. Might be, who knows? I don't need the cam anyway, so I'm all right with that. Over here, you can see the Bachero has kind of become like a workbench pretty much because I just pile shit on here. The filter it came with pretty much brand new. Didn't have a plastic bag to put it in to kind of keep it fresh, so just kind of threw a glove on the end there. Got the valve cover here, nice shiny, everything's painted. The 144 and the 170 and the 200 inline sixes, same valve cover for all of them as far as I know. So instead of painting mine, I'll probably throw this on there. And then even the head I gotta check because I don't know if the head would be the same, but I mean the head's nice and painted, so it's like, I think I might even use this head if it's interchangeable with mine because it's all nice and painted and everything's like brand new on here. The spark plugs look like they were brand new. The guy like literally just rebuilt it, so I got it for basically $40. And I just wanted the valve cover and the air box off of it because the air cleaner box, those go online. Guys get them and repaint them. They go for like 100 or 150. The valve cover, it's hard to find one that's not chrome, and if you do, you're paying $60, and then I'd still have to paint it, so I'd be in for another maybe 10-20 bucks for paint and primer. So for $40, everything's already painted. The engine, it's not crazy heavy as long as you got a buddy with you, but I don't have anyone to help me unload it, so I'm literally just in the back of my Chevy Trax, just kind of disassembling it in there. You can see some of the oil got in there, so I put down some cat litter. So yeah, I'm just disassembling it here, hoping it becomes slightly lighter to where I can just pull the block out. The block, it's more or less good. Where the water pump bolts thread in, though, I guess the threads were shot on there, and I don't even care about the block. I'm going to keep my 144 liter. So, I was just kind of buying it for all the parts that go with it. But, I can probably, you figure the whole thing cost me $40. I got a bunch of good parts off of it. The block I might be able to scrap and get, $10 or something back. So, it was actually cheaper to buy this than it would have been to buy paint. So that worked out pretty good. That's today's episode of awesome Facebook Marketplace finds. So I'll be on there again today looking. There's a guy about an hour north of here that has headers. I don't know if I'm going to pick those up today, but kind of have my eye on those for a while. And so, yeah, definitely check out Facebook Marketplace in your local area. Hopefully find some good deals like this here.